Have you joined the cooking challenge? If not, why not? It's free. Just sign up. You get recipes and chances to win prizes. It's so simple. We're going to give you the link to sign up for the challenge, and you get recipes in your inbox every week. Don't feel pressure to have to make them, but if you do, use hashtag Dreena Burton Cooking Challenge, so we'll find your images on social, or email them to me. We have prizes. We have a gift pack from two of my favorite brands. The first is Survival Moss, which you've heard me talk about, and I'm using their products so much lately. It's just such a good food to add to your diet, to boost your mineral intake, to increase your immunity. Just amazing products. And the other is California Balsamic. I use both of these quite a lot right now, and I just want to show you how much I'm using California Balsamic. They're both quite empty because these are my two favorite flavors, which these are the ones that will go out to you. And your Survival Moss giveaway will include their chaga nuggets. You've seen my chaga tea. I make it daily. Their freeze-dried powder, which is, oh, this is the sea moss. This is so brilliant. It's shelf stable. You can add it to oatmeal, pudding, smoothies, whatever. And they have lion's mane as well. And this is just back in stock. So if you want to pick some up, we'll also give you the link so you can order some before it goes out of stock again. And both of these companies have generously donated prizes, so thank you very much. We're going to be drawing winners at the end of the challenge, and I have a bonus prize as well, but I think you have to join the challenge to find out what it is. Okay, so join. We'll give you the link. Really easy. How about we use keyword challenge today? So use that keyword in the comments and we'll get the link out to you, and you can join, get free recipes, and maybe you'll be a winner. Okay, we'll see you soon.